Assalamu alaikum. Are you struggling to see which ads actually bring in money and not just leads? Most businesses lose track of their data the moment a lead enters their CRM or picks up the phone. If your Google Ads don't know which leads turned into closed jobs in Jobber or Go High Level, you are flying blind. I engineer data precision to bridge this gap, ensuring every dollar is accounted for from click to revenue. First, we perform a deep audit of your Google Tag Manager and ensure your UTM tracking is flawless. This ensures that every click carries the source, campaign, and keyword data all the way through your funnel. Next, we integrate CallRail to capture every phone call and attribute it back to the exact keyword. Whether they call or fill out a form, the lead data flows perfectly into Go High Level with all tracking intact. From there, we track the lead as it moves through your CRM and into Jobber for scheduling. But here is the real secret: offline conversion tracking. This is how we win. When a job is closed and revenue is recorded, we sync that data back to Google Ads automatically. Now, Google Ads knows exactly which campaigns are generating real revenue, not just clicks. This gives you 99% data accuracy, bypassing iOS restrictions and ad blockers for better scaling. You can finally optimize for profit and measure your true return on ad spend with total confidence. I also build custom dashboards so you can see your cost per booked job and revenue by source at a glance. Stop guessing and start scaling with data precision. I turn messy data into clear insights. Alhamdulillah, I have helped hundreds of businesses. If you need this setup, message me on WhatsApp or visit my website today.